Okay, so basically what we're doing here this morning is bike's up and running. We did a bench sync on the carbs, so to follow that up we want to do a actual gauge sync. This will let us do two things. It'll let us adjust the air screws on each of the carburetors right there, and then we can set the sync, which is controlled right here, if it's out from our bench sync. And as you can see, I did adjust the number 3 carburetor down just a little bit, but as you can see right now, everybody's right on the money. So really nothing else to do here other than to install the gas tank and take her out for her inaugural ride.